It's another great day at Autos of Dallas. John Hernandez, 214-723-4366. Today we're talking about a 2015 Maserati white with black interior. Of course, you can see the double exhaust. This is the Ghibli 3 liters, 6 cylinders, 8-speed transmission. Sharp looking vehicle. It's got your daytime running lights. It's a one owner, clean Carfax. It was a lease vehicle. 214-723-4366. It's rear-wheel drive, navigation, CD player, MP3 decoder. It's got an 8-speaker premium sound system with a security system as well. Keyless entry. 36,795 are the miles. It's got the owner's manual, your 2 keys, your spare. Just a beautiful, luxurious vehicle. Tons of room in the back. You'd be the proud owner of this vehicle. It's got a huge 8-inch audio screen and a sweet roar. Autos of Dallas, Plano, Texas. John Hernandez, 214-723-4366. We are family owned. Offering quality pre-owned luxury vehicles. I know you won't be sitting in the back, but it will give you peace of mind knowing that your passengers will be in total luxury as well. It's got your mini ice chest here. Your drink coasters. Even the roof is leather. Give me a call, 214-723-4366. We all work so hard. We at least have to have something nice to drive on the way to work. Autos of Dallas, John Hernandez. Deliver all over the United States. Give me a call, 214-723-4366. Have an awesome day. Good luck. Bye-bye.